Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the most powerful hair growth treatment and techniques yet to grow longer, thicker, healthier hair almost overnight, so keep watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and check my beauty hacks ebook and links below. So let's jump right in. First of all, you guys always ask this, so I'm going to start sharing. This is what I'm using on my hair before applying this treatment and techniques. It is a repair rinse out conditioner and a thickening shampoo. These are my two current favorites and they're all natural. I will link them down below. I got mine on Amazon, I believe, so I'll link it below. Now let's jump into the treatment. So for this treatment, you're going to want to apply it on damp hair after shampooing and conditioning, and this mix of ingredients is insane, you guys. I've never noticed my hair better. It's grown longer and thicker so fast, and that's why you guys have to follow everything in this video. Please do not skip through it so you guys can do exactly what I did to get the same results and not miss a technique or anything. So the first ingredient you'll need is coconut oil. I use food grade unrefined organic coconut oil. I'll have it linked down below. I like using food grade for this because it just absorbs so much better in the hair and it's much more natural. The next ingredient you'll need is castor oil. This works amazing. I get the certified organic one. This is a little tube I got because I also like to apply it on my brows as well as sometimes my lashes. I'll do a whole separate video on that, but I will have this one linked below as well as a larger one I have, and this is amazing for helping you with any hair thinning, any bald spots. You guys can always apply extra after this technique if you guys do notice any bald spots in your hair. The next ingredient you'll be needing is OLAPLEX. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is insane. I know it's a little pricey. I'll have it linked down below, the best price I found it at. It's actually a hair bonder, so it bonds any split ends or breakages. Now, if you do not want to spend the money, don't worry. I'll have cheaper alternatives down below, or you could just use your favorite conditioner. Now let's get into mixing, applying the techniques to rapidly grow and thicken your hair. You guys, it's just, I have no words. It's insane how well this works, and I think I came up with the most genius remedy. So first you're going to be needing a tablespoon or about a tablespoon of the OLAPLEX. I like to apply that first as the base, but remember, if you don't have it, don't worry. Just use any alternatives down below or a conditioner, but I highly recommend OLAPLEX, you guys. It's used in so many salons to really repair damaged hair, and it's not sponsored. I'm just being totally honest, so I will link where I bought mine down below as well as all of the cheaper alternatives. Next, you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but I recommend going in this exact order. This is what makes the treatment work the best for me and blend the best, and coconut oil is just filled with fatty acids to help soften, strengthen, smoothen, and shine the hair. So then I'm going to mix those 2 ingredients together really well before applying the next ingredient. Also, if you guys hear me say this right now, give this video a thumbs up and then comment 3-minute mark down below in the comment section so I can show you so much love, each and every one of you who do that. So the next ingredient you're going to be needing is a few drops of castor oil. I usually count about 11 to 12 drops. This is so important to apply at the end because this is a much thicker consistency. This works amazing for hair growth. I always recommend castor oil or olive oil. So if you don't have castor oil, you can always get olive oil, but I will link all of these ingredients and my favorites down below. So then after you apply that, you want to really mix it well, and do not just apply this to your hair, you guys. I'm going to show you the exact techniques and exactly how to apply it and some little hacks to really stimulate your hair growth and get real results. Also, how cute is my little baby? So first, what you're going to want to do is really find any areas you notice more thin or that need more TLC than the other areas, and that's where you're going to start. I always recommend starting towards the front of the hair. You're also going to need a medium tooth comb like this one. I'll link this one down below. Helps with stimulating that blood flow and hair growth while applying this treatment. So first step is to separate your hair. I like to do this in 2 sections. I just clip up the top half so I can start with the bottom. By the way, guys, if you have any favorite hair products, comment them down below so I can try them. So once you do that, I like to apply a glove. I always reuse this glove for my hair treatments because it stops your skin from absorbing it, so you can really see and control where you are applying the product. So as you guys can see, I am starting at the root and then taking that comb and just slowly and gently brushing it down, and that is going to be the theme for this first part of the application process. You just want to section your hair in about 2-inch strands and then apply it to the root and then kind of brush it out. If you guys have ever dyed your hair at home or dyed your roots, it's a very similar process, but by using the comb to gently brush the product down, you're actually massaging the hair and stimulating not only the hair growth and blood flow, but also evenly applying the product, and this works great for your roots. Remember, our hair does grow from our roots, so a lot of times we neglect that and think we just got to focus on the ends of our hair, which we are going to focus on later in this video, but it is so important to start at the top of the hair for all that new hair growth to grow in fast, healthy, and stimulate the scalp so that it does grow evenly, thicker, and healthier. Now, once you've finished applying this all over your roots, you really want to take that comb and gently run it through your hair. This is going to work as a little massage tool. You also want to make sure you're brushing it in different parts, like to the side, in the middle. This is what helps prevent any bald spots and really stimulates that hair growth evenly. So once you've spent about 10 minutes doing that, you just want to apply the treatment towards the front of the hair, around the front of the scalp, and just gently pull it upwards, as you guys can see I'm doing with my hand and the brush. This is great for just getting a thicker outline around your face. Now, of course, it is time to add the rest of the product down your hair. You want to do this in a very gentle motion, and you do not want to rub. You just kind of want to glide your hands gently down and continue to add the remainder of the product until you get all the way to the tips of your hair. A little hack when you do it in this downward motion, I believe it actually does help bond the hair and any flyaways. By the way, look at my mom. We're in quarantine together, so it's always something exciting going on. Now, once you're done applying it, you want to take your hair, don't forget to get any back areas, and you're going to start massaging it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I will link the exact one I got down below. It is worth every penny. It is specifically made for instant hair growth. Just like when you guys get chills and goosebumps on your legs and the hair instantly grows back, the same thing goes for your scalp, and there's like a 99.9% this is going to give you constant goosebumps when applying it to your scalp. So I definitely recommend this tool. I'll have it linked below. Then you just want this to sit on your hair for as long as possible. During quarantine, it could be like hours. The longer the better, and then you just rinse it out with some shampoo and conditioner. I use the same one that I used. So that's my video, you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I hope you liked it. All my links will be down below, all the products down below. I love you and thank you for watching. Mwah.